we have discussed about median. In median, we have discussed the individual series, continuous series, and discrete series. In today's class, we'll discuss about mode. It is really after class. As we all know, mode is an average of position. Means the value which occurs maximum time in the series, we can say that is the mode. So mode जो है ज़्यादा बार जो सीरीज में repeated number होता है, we can say that is the mode. So mode determining the thing here, we can use two methods. Two ways. Method one is method of inspection. Second method is method of grouping. Method of inspection is nothing but just we can see the series and we can find what is the mode. And method of grouping is a method in which we compare like between the maximum frequency. If the maximum frequency and its next maximum frequency is not considerably greater. इसका मतलब है सीरीज में जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है उसका जो मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है एंड जो नेक्स्ट मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है उनके बीच में अगर डिफरेंस ज्यादा नहीं है तो इन दैट केस टू फाइंड मोड इज डिफिकल्ट सो वी कैन गो फॉर यूजिंग द मेथड ऑफ ग्रुपिंग. We'll discuss in later. After that, go individual series. We'll discuss individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. So take for individual series. So I am writing some values here, like 5, 6, 10, 12, 3, 6, 10, 15, and 10. If you see, in this case, this is the series. Just by inspection only, by inspection method only, you can see 10. 5, 6, 10 is repeated once here. Then after that, 10 is repeated here. 10 is here in the series. 10 is here. So 10 is maximum times repeated in the series. So that's why the mode of this series is mode of the series equal to 10. So you can say this is a unique model. Only one mode is here in the series. तो सीरीज में जो वैल्यू ज्यादा टाइम रिपीटेड है, ज्यादा बार रिपीटेड है, उसको हम लोग मोड बोलते हैं. तो मोड इज वी कैन से हियर 10. This type of series. Here we have written 2, 7, 9, 8, 15, 9, 2, 7, 5. Here 7 is repeated 2 times, 9 is also repeated 2 times. So we can say mode is here mode is 7 and 9. 7 and 9. This is actually two mode possible here. 7 can be a mode, 9 can be a mode. Because 7 is repeated 2 times, 9 is also repeated 2 times. So you can say this is a bimodal series. Series में मोड दो बार है, दो मोड है. That's why we are saying this is a bimodal series. Mode can be more than one. See this type of series. In this case, 3, 4, 5, 6, again 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means the series is repeated like. So here we cannot say that all 3 is repeated many times, 4 is repeated, 5 is repeated. We can say that 4 mode are possible. This is not actually possible because this type of series, in this type of series, we cannot say all are mode. If because mode is a central value, we have to choose a central value. If we find all as central values, then what is the mode? What is the meaning of choosing a central value? So in this case, we can say no mode is possible. So these are all by inspection method. You can see the series and you can find what is the mode. Later, go to method of grouping. method of grouping. We have to go for taking an example. You take one example and we will discuss the grouping method. This is for discrete series. We have taken one example. So question is like this: from the following frequency distribution, locate the model. This is the question. The X value monthly wages of the workers is given like 95, 94, 95, 96, 93, 87, 79, 73, 59, 68. This is the frequency number of workers. 78, 82, 83, 89, like this. The series is there. If you see from the series, here the frequency, the same frequency. Actually, in case of discrete series, as we know, mode is the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency in the series, as we all know, mode is the model value. This is the unification of values. So, where the maximum frequency is there, then there is the mode. So, in this case, if we see the maximum frequency is 130. So, we can say 58 is the mode. This by the method of regression. We can see the series and we can say, yes, the frequency, the highest frequency in the series is 130. So, the mode is 58. The meaning of this one is 58 is repeated 130 times in the series. So, we can say 58 is the mode. But by the method of inspection, we can see 130. But here, another one mode is also. Another one frequency here is there. Maximum frequency, that also we can say 100, 170. So very negligible difference or not very considerable difference between 130 and 170. Maybe we can say 59 may be the model. So in this case, there may be confusion. Maybe the difference between the frequencies is not that much. The difference is not that much high. So in that case, we can go for doing the grouping. We can take the help of grouping method to find the actual model. So let us discuss the grouping method. What is it? What we need to do is for taking question. So we need to arrange the series. The series is not arranged. First, we need to arrange the series in the order. First, let us arrange the series. We can take we can write 57, 58, then we can write 59, then 73, 79, 87, 93, 90, 94, then 58, this is 130, then 59, 107, 173, 108, 79, 103, 87, 95, 93, 59, Then 94 is 78, 95 is 82, 96 is 50. So we can say this is the frequency table. This table is known as frequency table. Frequency table. This table is known as frequency table. So we can mark the highest frequency here. This is 100. So this column we can take as 1. This is for the grouping method. We start our grouping method by grouping the values of the frequency. So first what we need to do, we have to group these two. We have to make one group. So this group is 1 plus 2. The first is this one. This table is the first table. The second table is 1 plus 2. This is the grouping of 2. Grouping of 2. This is 1 plus 2. Then we have to do 2 plus 3. Then grouping in 3. Grouping in 3. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then 3 plus 4 plus. First, what we need to do, we have to group the frequency. So first, we have to group these two. 1 plus 2. We can mark here. So 1 plus 2, 97 plus 130. So we can write in between. This is 227. This 117 plus 108. This you can write here as 225. Then this 103 plus 95. 103 plus 95 is 198. 198. 89 plus 89 plus 78. You can write here. That is 167. Then we can group these two. 82 plus 83. 82 plus 83 is 165. So like this we can make group. The second one, what do we need to do? 2 plus 3 means 130 plus 170. We can do that. First we have to add 1 plus 2 for this table. Like 97 plus 130, then write 227. Then you can write 170 plus 108, 225. Like this we go on adding. In this way, if we have only 1 here, we can leave the number because we are not able to make a group of that number. So we can leave that number. So here, as we are able to make it, then very much clear, we can able to make the group into 2. So now we can make 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 130 plus 170. We can write it here. 130 plus 170. This is equal to 247. We can write it here. 247. So 47. Like this, we can add 108, 103. Here we have to leave the first one because we are starting from the second. 2 plus 3. So 130 is start from 130 plus 170. Then 108 plus 103. That we can write 211. That is 211 here we can write. Here like it 95 plus 89. 95 plus 89 is equal to 184. We can write it here. Now 78 plus 82. 78 plus 82 is 160. At this we are not able to make it blue, so we can leave it. Let us come to this one. Here we have to make it in 3. We have distributed the label like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we'll make 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. These 3 here able to make 1. Then this 3. Then this. Like this is 1. Bring the grouping. So 97 plus 130 plus 117. So this value we can write it here. So that value is 344. 344. We can write for 108 plus 103 plus 95. That is 306. Then we can write 89 plus 78 plus 82, which is equal to 249. The last value is not able to make it blue, so we can leave it. Take it. Then after that, we can make it 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 means 130 plus 170 plus 108. So these 3 we have to make it 2. So 130 plus 170 plus 108. The summation is coming 355. 355 we can write it here. Second, 103, 95 and 89. It is coming 287. 287. After that, we can write a 78 plus 82 plus 83. It is coming 243. 243. We can write it here. 243. So this is the value. Last is 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is 3 plus 4 plus 5. 170 plus 108 plus 103. So what we can do here? We can add, we can write the value as 328. Here we can write 328. Then we can make these 3 as blue: 95, 89 and 78. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, then 95, 89 and 78. We can write it here. That value is coming 262. 260. So next part is that we have to mark the highest frequency in each column. So in this column, we have noticed the frequency, the highest frequency is 130. In this case, the highest frequency is 227. In this case, the highest frequency is 247. This is 344. This is 355. This one is 320. So, in each column, we have identified the highest frequency. So, our next step is we have to draw an analysis table with all these columns, so that in that case we can find which can be our mode from this frequency table. So, go for doing the analysis step. Value, like what is given here, 67, 68, 69, 73, 79, 87. In row wise, we have to do this table. Here, for column, you have to make it the row. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Here I have done it in form of rows. So this table should be continued till 96. As our frequency is coming in the first only, so I have stopped here 87, because here we are getting our frequency 300. All the first values we are getting our frequency. So that's why I have stopped here. But we can continue the table till the 96. So in 96 we can go for doing our columns, like 87 here. After 87 we can go for writing 93, 94, 95, 96, like 4 columns also we can add here. So here we have, this is the frequency column. This frequency column is in form of rows. So what we need to see, we need to observe actually in our first frequency table. What is our highest frequency? Our highest frequency is 130. So see the value against 130. In the value table, if you see, it is our 58 value. So we can pick here. We can put a tick mark here, because 130 here in the first column, 130 is our highest frequency against which number? Against 68. 68 is our value. Okay. So if you see against 68, we can put a tick mark. Like this. See the second table. 227 is coming. 227, how we are getting? We are getting by adding 97 plus 130. Against which number? Against 67 and 68. So in the second column, this is our second column in form of second row. So which number is coming? 227 we are adding 97 plus 130. 97 plus 130 is which value? Against 67 and 68. So we can put a tick mark against 67 and like this. Here, you can see 247 is the highest frequency. This is the addition of column 2 plus this is the addition of our frequency 2 plus 3. Frequency 2 means 130 plus 170. So 100, 130 and 170 coming against the values of 58 and 69. So we can put the tick mark here 68 and 69. Like this, we will go on then. 344. 344 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 97 plus 100. Which against which value? Against 67, 68 and 69. Let us put it. 67, 68, 69. Then is coming 355. 355 is the addition of 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 means again which value? 68, 69 and 73. 68, 69 and 73. Go for the last one. 328. 328 is 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is our 3 plus 4 plus 5. 117, 108, 103, 69, 73, 79. So you can put here 69, 73, 79. Go for doing the total of the values. If you go and adding the 67 column, then it is coming 3. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2, this is 1. So which one is coming our highest? This one is our highest. Against which? 68. So you can say 68 is the model value of the series. Here, locate the model value. So the model value is 68. Remember, the model value always we have to find from the table, value table, not the frequency table. So the model value is from the value table. So 68 is the model value. So 68 is the model. Thank you so much. This table and this form of getting grouping sector is very unique. So it's not difficult to understand, but if you are not able to understand, then you can rewind the video and see it again so that you can understand it. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.